Hello crochet friends, and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this zigzag border or slip stitch border. You know, this is crochet. This is such a fun border, and it just consists of slip stitch, chain one, slip stitch, chain one. It is so cool and so easy and super fun and beautiful. I am so excited to show you how to do this one today, so let's get into it. To begin your zigzag border, you want to do single crochets all the way around your project to clean up those edges. Do 3 single crochet in each corner, and then complete your single crochet with a slip stitch, fasten off, and weave in that end. You can do this with a contrasting color, the same color as your border, whatever you would like. I would suggest a contrasting color to make sure those zigzags pop. Then to begin the border, get your border yarn and get it on your hook with a slip knot. You can begin your border really anywhere, in a corner, on the edge, off to the right a little, off to the left a little, in the center. I'm going to begin my border right here in the middle with a slip stitch into this stitch. So I'll insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through that loop on my hook. And then chain one. And then go into the next stitch with another slip stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through that loop on your hook, and chain one. Into the next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through that loop on your hook, completing your slip stitch, and then chain one. See how simple it is? And look at how cute! I can't! This border is so fun! You're just going to keep doing this along the side here. And I will meet you at the corner. Alrighty, we are at our corner. And nothing changes. You're just going to do slip stitch, chain one, slip stitch, chain one, and slip stitch, chain one in those corner single crochets. So we'll insert our hook, yarn over, pull through that loop on our hook, and chain one. Insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop on your hook, chain one. Insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and chain one. That's it. Super simple on the corners. I really like this border. And then we're just going to do the same thing along this edge. Nothing changes. This is such a simple border, and it crochets up so quickly. You'll insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop on your hook. Chain one. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through that loop, chain one. And we'll do this all the way across. And I will meet you at the next corner. And we're at another corner. This corner happens to be where I joined for my single crochet. Nothing is different here. We're just going to insert our hook here, slip stitch, chain one, slip stitch, chain one, and slip stitch, chain one, just like we did in our other corner. So we'll insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop on our hook, and chain one. Insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop on our hook, and chain one. Insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop on our hook, and chain one. One tip for our zigzag stitch on a corner is to keep your tension a little bit looser. That is so then our stitches can lay nice and flat and don't get tightened around that corner. Then we're just going to continue on along the edge. Slip stitch, chain one, slip stitch, chain one, slip stitch, chain one, all the way around. And I'll meet you at the end. Alrighty, we are at our last stitch. Nothing special here. We'll just do one last slip stitch And I like to chain one here to give us one last zigzag before slip stitching into that first slip stitch at the beginning of our border. So we'll insert our hook into that, yarn over, and pull through that loop on our hook. Give it a nice tug, fasten off, weave in that end, and there you have it, the zigzag border. It is so fun and so cute and easy, right? A couple of tips for this one. You definitely want to pay attention to your tension. If you get too tight on your chains, your zigzags will end up inconsistent. Same with if you get too tight on your slip stitches. Your zigzags will end up inconsistent. So pay attention to your tension, especially in these corners, and you'll have a nice, beautiful, consistent border. Please let me know what you end up using this border on in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye! So what is Yarn Over Hook? Yarn Over Hook is a free social media for crocheters to create, learn, and connect with other crocheters from around the world. Join for free today at yarnoverhook.com and show us what's got you hooked.